Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, based on whenever you view my video. So because of I don't have any strike video on kayak, so today I decided to update what inside my bag, which I bought when I going for fishing. So here's the thing. So as you can see here, I have mouth clip here, and I have soft plastic. Nak focus. Okay. And then I have leaders, few size of leaders, and of course my precious box. Okay, let's see what's inside. So inside here I have separated all the things based on their category. So first we go to this purple box. Okay, this purple box contains a few types of lure. This is minnow. I have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am very sorry because I am not particular about the names of the brand of the minnow. I just bought the minnow based on pedoman. I just bought what I want to buy because I wanted to try all the things. Okay, this one I bought myself at tackle shops, and this one I bought online. These two my fellow kayakers gave to us actually. And then here we have few jigs. This one is Kodachi 40 gram. No. Bukan Kodachi. Volante. Is it focus or not? Okay, this one I bought online. It came with these two free hooks. Okay. Inside here I have geli, and then this one soft plastic also, and then I have few kinds of jig. I have this metal jig, chrome color, and then I have few small jig. All of these are 20 gram. This one I bought online on Shopee, and then this one also Shopee, but it's from overseas. I have 5 actually set. This is a set of 6 jigs, but 2 of them already gone. Sangkut. Okay, I have more micro jig. I like to try micro jig. I don't know why I don't have any interest to try full jig. Okay, this is my first box. And then here we have popper. This one I bought from tackle shop. And then move to next box. Okay, in this box I also have jig. Okay, usually jig I use as a sinker when I play with Apollo. The fun fact is, when my husband get fish, I always ask him what color of the jig that he used that time. But my mind will change it to what color of soft plastic that I have, which can also get fish. So means if he use jig from with chrome or green color, and I will try to find my soft plastic which suits with the color. Okay, and then I have this one, assist hook with squid shape. I have 3 of it. Actually I have 4, but as usual sangkut. This one I made myself. I never tried this one. And I have few more. This here I have hook, I have jig head, I have swivel. Focus or not? Oh, I have hook, jig head, swivel, and also hook, together with this bulu-bulu. Okay, this one I made myself. I never try. Okay, all of this I made myself, but this one I bought. Okay. Okay, we move to my next box. Okay, the next mini box that I have inside my box is this one. So this box is full with sinkers. Okay. And then I have this one. This is my precious box because I have many kinds of soft plastic here. As I said before, if my husband managed to get strike fish using his jig, and I will try to find which color of my soft plastic I can use in similar of his jig. So I have this kind of jig, I have this kind of soft plastic. I have many of them. I have this color, I have this color, I have this side. Oh, focus. And then I love this one. Laku keras guna ni. I have also spare geli-geli. I have, yeah, so many kind of soft plastic, I guess. This one I never tried before. This one, there are many of it. Okay, this is worm. I geli dengan worm, so I bought this fake worm. I never tried this. I should try whenever I go fishing. So this is all my soft plastic here. So next in my box, I have few size of Apollo. This one, and I have these two Apollo, and then I have more hooks. This one suitable for soft plastic, and I have jig head. I have more assist hook. This one my husband made. I have hook for live bait, and then this one line, spare line. So this one also, and I have more spare of the line. I like to have extra because I don't like to tie all this line on the kayak, because my focus is to fishing. So this is all inside my box. Simple one, but I think it's enough to cover me when I'm kayak. So I don't need to ask my husband if he has any extra for me. So, oh, forgot, I also have this one. Yeah, this is all in my box. Do you want to see my husband box? I will show you. Wait, So, this is my husband's tackle box. Same like me, right? Biasalah, laki bini. Okay. Let us see. So, first, in this putus, he has... Basically, all the box are same. It's just the way he arranged inside his box. It's different from me. So, this box, he has sinkers, swivel, and a few types of soft plastic here, and also sotong, candat sotong. Never try it. And then he also have soft plastic. Actually, my husband not into soft plastic. I hasut he to try. So the soft plastic here. He has soft plastic. Okay, then he has minnows. A few types of minnows here. This one is popper minnow. This one is popper. And then we have jig box. Few kinds of jig. This one he made it himself. I used to have 2 of it, but fell into the sea. And then he has another box which contains of this is hook. He made himself all the hooks. And then he has Apollo. He has mouse clip. He has, what is this, plier? Soft plastic, hooks. Can you see it? Hooks, and soft plastic. And then he also has minnows. So basically everything he has, I also have, because we always buy same thing together. So, but the thing that he didn't have a lot is soft plastic, because I like to try soft plastic. I didn't into jig so much like him. I need to clear up all the things. So actually my husband previously at Gore, he got fish using these 2 jigs. See, that's what I said. When he gets fish, I will ask for the colors of the jig that he used, and I will try to find which suitable soft plastic that I have, that I wanted to try. This one, he used this one attached with this one. Yes, exactly like that. Okay, this hook he made himself. Okay. Okay, I guess that is the end of my video today. So I hope that you got something from my video, and don't forget to like, share and comment. If you have anything to suggest, just comment below. And I appreciate for those who already subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. For those who haven't subscribed, please push the subscribe button below. Alright, your subscriptions is very meaningful for me. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Jumpa lagi. Bye bye. Jangan lupa subscribe.